Hi, everyone. Welcome to Planning Your College Path. My name is Kelly Starchuk. I am a student success coach here at Genesee Community College. I work primarily with our business and commerce students. I am also the women's assistant women's soccer coach here, and I love all things soccer.
And I'm Mike Spink. I'm a tutor from the Learning Center. I'm a GCC ACE alum, and I'm born and raised here in Wyoming County. Instead of soccer, I'm a big hockey nut, and I know everything about that. I'll be your bad jokes for the workshop. In this workshop, we're going to be talking about the Student Success Center, which is where you need to go if you have any enrollment questions. We'll then hit all the things that you can use to help you plan and get a better picture of where you're headed. DegreeWorks is where you can go to figure out what you need for all your classes. And once you know what classes you need to take and in what order, we'll jump to Schedule Planner, and we'll put all those things into a schedule for you that's manageable and reasonable for you. We'll then hit on all the other miscellaneous resources that you have that you can use during your time here at GCC.